No, Taylor. Taylor. These two.
That's not mine.
These two right here. Open them.
It's a toaster.
Taylor, open those two.
I want to open this now. It's bloody.
Let's see.
Oh.
Ooh.
It's a good girl, Woody. Jessie.
I don't have that. I don't want that one.
Alright, you open your other one.
That's a good one. It's a dinosaur. The dinosaur's tiny.
Let me see.
Woody.
Right here, they go together.
I go find Woody.
Open that one.
Here, give that to Daddy to open up.
It's a secret box. Look, there's something written on it. You want me to read it to you?
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Daddy.
It says, "My granddaughter, I love you today, tomorrow, and always."
Daddy, look, Daddy.
See? Look, Allison. So pretty.
Look, Daddy. I got this.
Oh, cool. It's a screwdriver.
For me.
Yeah.
Can you get scissors?
Scissors. Well, why don't we open everything first and then we'll open this stuff. This is pretty, huh? You have to call Grandma Diana and say thank you. You need a new secret jewelry box.
Yeah, because
And then, Allison, you see that little pink bag
I need to get
with the
one.
flowers on it? That one's for you, too.
I can't wait to open it. I open it?
Yeah.
I need to find Woody. Daddy, can you take the tape off? Daddy,
Here, bring it here.
where's Woody? Daddy, can you take the tape off from here so I can do this? Because Mommy said I can open it right now. Is this Woody?
Oh, I think so. Maybe. Open it.
That's for him? That might be for me.
Oh.
Okay, let me see it. Bring it over here. All right, Allison.
My favorite color is me, Daddy.
It's to Nicole.
My favorite
Wow. Does that say something on it too? Let me see. Pretty. That says to my grandma, or to my, let's see, my granddaughter, I love you to the moon and back. And there's a moon in there. This is to Daddy. I'll
All right, open it.
Ooh, cologne. That's nice.
That's yours.
Thank you.
Is this mine?
No, that one's Mommy's, but you can open it for me.
Wanna open that for Mommy?
Wow, pink. This is for Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
Hairspray.
And
And a
oh, what's
bag.
that? Is that for Mama?
Mommy.
Pretty.
Makeup, I think.
I need to put body.
All right. What do you say to Grandma Diana?
Thank you.
Taylor, what do you say to
What does this say?
Taylor? What do you say to Grandma Diana?
What does this say, Dad? I need to find me. Is this me?
Oh.
Is that for me? Is it for me?